This quick tutorial is going to be on our medical dispense units. As you can see here, we have two of them, and they will be located next to the nurse's station in the main classroom area. So let's begin, and let me show you how to log in and operate the system. So the first thing you're going to see when you walk up to the unit is a login screen, and we'll have a username and password assigned to you for you to use for you to sign in. So for the time being, I'm just going to use my credentials to log in. It's going to give you a little warning. Just read it, click OK, and it's all touchscreen, so just click OK. So when you've got your patient information, you'll use that when you need to go ahead and dispense medication to your patient. And you'll just go straight to the top to dispense the patient, click on that, and then you'll navigate to the patient that you may be working with that day. So for our purposes today, we'll just use Brody. Click on Vincent Brody, and you'll see that he has basically 6 meds here that are ready to be issued to him. Click on any of them to start that process. Highlight that. It's going to ask you about allergies on your patient. Click yes, and then it's going to give you some information over here on what is needed. So for Mr. Brody at this point in time, he's supposed to give him 2 tabs every 4 to 6 hours for pain. He hasn't been given anything today. So we can go to and enter, and then it's going to highlight press to open the drawer. So from here, what you'll want to do is click press to open the drawer. It just pops open. And there's several drawers, as you can see on the unit, including a very large drawer at the bottom. It's going to ask you how many are currently in the drawer. So this particular section says is drawer 10 section A that's opened. And if you'll notice how the drawers work, once you open them up, the drawers work with the slides here breaking up the areas of the large drawer, and this starting from the forwardmost position is A, B, C, D, E, and F. So if we were to remove one of these, it would still be A, B, C, D, E, and F, or however many actual spaces you may have. In this case, we're using all 6 areas of this large drawer. And if we go back and look at what it's asking us, this particular medication is in drawer 10, section A, and it's asking us the expected amount that should be in that drawer is 3. So if we look back down at the drawer and pick up our medication, which is in drawer A, here's our Vicodin. You can clearly see that there are 3 in there right now. So we go back up to the screen and we enter 3. It asks us if we want to waste one. We do no. We don't want to waste anything at this particular time. We're just dispensing and returning medications at this level. So we'll remove 2 from the bottle, from the drawer, to take to your patient, and then close the drawer back, and then press here when you are done. And then that's it. We can go back to your patient, Brody, and you can see that he has been shown as having been administered that Vicodin just now. And you'll do that for each one of the medications that you need to serve to your patients. When you are finished, obviously you're not going to be giving these drugs to your patients. We want to return this medication when we get back after the scenario is over. So after the scenario is over, what you're going to do is you're going to do a return, and you're going to find your patient, and then it's going to show a list of items that you have given. And here I've given several to Mr. Brody today as a test run. And so I'm going to return the ones that I have just did, which is this one, which gives me a time and date stamp. And I'll click on that one. It says I've originally dispensed 2. I'm going to return 2, return item, and then it's going to ask me why. And in this case, we can pretty much choose whatever we want, but for the sake of order, let's just do order canceled or put on hold, and then click OK. Now, some drugs, you will not get this screen where it needs a witness to verify it, because this is a narcotic. They want a witness to sign on this. So I will use a different username. So as students, your partner can help you out with this one to return medications, and it gives both of you an opportunity to experience the med dispenser. You hold the drawer open back up. It's going to ask you how many is in the bottle currently. We know that there's only 1. We enter that, and now it's asking us to return the 2, at which you will do that. Please return all medications to the cabinet. Put it back into the bottle that you took it from, and then just close the drawer. Click OK. Then you can log off. And that is a quick tutorial on how to use our med dispense system.